All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and I need crispy answers. Crispy answer means to the point, short answer according to the question. In
Yes,
three
sir.
parts, answer the question directly, elaborate a little and conclude your answer, and mainly try to use compound sentences, connecting phrases, connecting words. So, would you like to play in a public garden or park?
Sir, park.
Would you like to play in a
Yes, I
park?
would like to play.
Why? You need to give reason for your answer.
Sir,
I
sorry.
would like to play in a park because park is an open place. There are many beautiful trees and grass there. I love to play on the grass. So whenever I am free, I go to a park near my house with my friends and there we play different games.
Yeah.
Something like this,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Don't think too much.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let's go on. What do you like to do when visiting a park?
Sir, I would like to play cricket.
Yeah, whenever I go to a park, I
I would
love to
love
play cricket.
cricket and talking with my friends.
Now, talking is not a correct grammar. And I would love to talk to my
Love to
friends.
talk to
Instead of talk, you can use the word chat. I would love to chat with my
chat with
friends.
my friends and eating some
Now,
foods.
and eating. Now, and I also like to eat some snacks,
Some snacks.
especially when I'm in the park with a cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Right? Not like कि छोटे छोटे वर्ड जोड़ते जाओ इंग्लिश तो बोल रहा हूँ नॉट लाइक दैट ओके
Yes, sir.
प्रॉपर सेंटेंसेस ये ओके लेट्स गो ऑन what is your favorite park and why? Or which is your favorite park and why?
Sir, my favorite park is Model Town Park because it's very beautiful. I like there's trees uh, and their environment. That's why I like.
All right, this is better, but you need to find a good way to answer. चार से पांच sentences and they should be correct grammatically. Okay, would you prefer to play in a personal park or a public park? Public park means anyone can go there. Personal park means it's a part of your house, like a lawn or park. So would you like to play in a personal park or private park?
I would like prefer public.
Public garden, yeah, personal or public,
Yes.
yeah, not private, yeah.
Yes.
Why?
Sir, because in the public park.
Just come closer, put the mic closer to you. ये mic आगे कर दें थोड़ा. Good.
Sir, because we in public park we enjoy and see others peoples and we get new environment.
We get different environment
Different environment.
in the presence of other people. So
Yes.
therefore, I like to
Therefore-
go to public park.
Yes.
All right, good. So just focus, all right?
Yes, sir.
Next one, please. Let's take a start. It's speaking part 1. So what apps have you recently used? Mobile applications. What mobile applications have you used recently?
Recently, I have downloaded the app Metro Habib Banking because I have opened my bank in Metro Habib, so I have to keep in touch with my account balance. So I have to
Now
download.
see that I have to. This is called repetition. It must be avoided. For example, what apps have you recently used? With very recently, I have used a mobile application which is from my bank. This application is called Habib Metro app, and I've downloaded that into my mobiles, and I'm using it very comfortably. So don't say I have to use it, I have to do that. That is what they call repetition. It means you have very small bank of language. Means your vocabulary, your sentence structure, everything is so limited. That'll bring you limited bench score, okay? What kind of apps are you interested in? Now you can talk about music apps, gaming apps, social media apps, and all that. So what kind of apps are you usually interested in?
Basically, I like most the gaming apps because I love games. Recently, I am also playing PUBG. PUBG is the most famous one also, and there is also Free Fire, and recently launched PUBG New State.
Okay, so PUBG is my favorite gaming application.
Yes, exactly.
What was the first app that you used?
Actually, not, and I don't.
I don't
haven't-
remember.
I don't remember because it's
It's a long
a
time,
long time ago.
But I
But-
think it was probably WhatsApp that
WhatsApp,
something like that.
WhatsApp or Facebook.
Mhm. You have to be specific. So at the present time, your answers are short, and you're doing a lot of repetition, and you're using only simple sentences. So you need to come up with a variety.
Yeah.
Okay. Last question. What kinds of apps would you like to use in the future?
To be more practical, because now I'm moving to the practical life. I have to use the practical apps like banking.
Matrimonial apps, huh?
Exactly.
Exactly. You know what is matrimonial app? You're
Uh,
looking for a girl to marry,
no,
and
sorry.
that is what we call matrimonial app. Because practical life, huh?
No, practical means
Yeah, you're growing, so
like
you need.
job.
Yeah. Okay, job
having
related.
jobs related, bank related, and all
Okay.
stuff like that.
So I would advise you to focus your sentence structure and answer in 4 to 5 sentences and use a variety of ideas. Okay, let's go on. All right, your topic is about colors, and what is your favorite color and why?
So there are a lot of colors that are
There are
like.
many
Yes,
colors.
there are many colors that I like, but more preferable color for me is a black color because I wear it very often, and
I wear this color very often.
I wear this color very often, and it is more attractive to me rather than any of the light colors.
Okay, as
this one.
compared to
As
any
compared to
lighter
any-
colors.
Yes, sir.
Good job, very good. What is the color that you What is the color that you dislike, or do you dislike any color?
No, sir, I don't dislike any colors, but I never prefer to wear any light colors. Just like pink or light green or parrot green. I don't like such colors to be worn on me.
Okay. What colors do your friends like most?
So my friends like dark. They also like dark colors because they also have the same taste like me. So they prefer more to wear red or something. They like these kind of colors.
Okay.
They're also interested. They're also interested in dark colors.
All right. What is the most popular color in your country?
So the most popular color in my country, so I'm not sure about them, but I think they also like dark colors because no,
You don't need, I mean, listen. Your answer should not be based on reality.
Yeah.
Right? For example, what's the most popular color in your country? In my country, the most popular color is green because this is our national color.
so,
Our
yes,
teams, they
I was
wear
about to
green
read that,
dresses,
yeah.
something like that. Okay, go on with it. Now, it's not that you're thinking, okay, which color, not like that. Okay, just answer straight away,
Okay.
whatever the question is. One final question. Do you like to wear dark or bright colors?
Sir, as I have mentioned before, I like to wear dark colors because for me it's more attractive to me. I feel more comfortable wearing it. I feel more confident wearing it. So for me, it is a better choice to wear dark color.
Okay, that's fine. Last answer was good. Just go on like this and answer in 4 to 5 sentences. Okay, thank you. Thank you.